Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share a brand new method for installing PGSharp on iOS devices. PGSharp is an amazing app for Pokémon GO that offers some incredible tools and features, but unfortunately, it's not officially available for iOS devices. However, I've discovered a way to get it on my iPhone, and I'm going to share this method with you today. As you can see on my screen, I already have PGSharp installed on my device. When I open it, it works perfectly, giving me access to all the awesome tools PGSharp provides. This means you can now enjoy enhanced gameplay and take advantage of features that make Pokémon GO even more fun and exciting. So, if you're ready to enhance your Pokémon GO experience, keep watching this video. I'll provide all the details you need to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have PGSharp up and running on your iOS device, and you'll be ready to take your Pokémon GO adventures to the next level. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for PGSharp and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.